In this video, I will show you how we can install the certificate which we generate in previous video in Palo Alto Firewall on your client PC. As I said, normally you need to give the certificate which we export from the HQ firewall and you need to send them to system team. From Active Directory through group policy, they will distribute the certificate to all system automatically, which is domain join. Because we have a small lab, so I need to install the certificate only on PC1 for test purpose. Now, I already download the certificate, so I can copy and paste here. Or because we cannot copy paste here, so what I can do, if you remember, let's go to the network and interfaces. So on the inside interface 1/3, I allowed management as well. It means I can access this firewall on the inside IP here as well. So I will install the certificate directly. I will access this firewall. So let's go to our PC1. Okay, and here the password is test123. So let me log into this PC and then I will access this firewall. By the way, you can copy paste as well. It doesn't matter, but this is the easy way I want to do. And then I will open any browser and I will type the inside IP address of this firewall to access this firewall on the inside interface. Okay, so what I will type here, HTTPS, and here 10.0.1.254 and hit enter, so that I can access this firewall from inside interface. Okay, and type admin abc8123455. This was the password which we set. Okay, because I need the certificate, copy paste is normally not working, so that's what I want to do. Otherwise, we already download the certificate which was here. I believe we download the certificate to our system. Here is, so I can copy the certificate directly to PC, or let's access the firewall, okay, through inside interface and go to device. Okay, go to device. Let's go to access the device and you can go to certificate. So previously we generate two certificates. You will see them here, trusted and untrusted. We are interested only in the trusted one. So just click this one. Okay, let's see this the correct one. Let me, yeah, this is untrusted. Yeah, it's correct one. And then what is called export certificate, and choose here, let's go to base 64, uncheck this one and click OK. And after a while, yeah, just keep them. If given error, here is the CA trusted certificate. Just go to the certificate which we download in our system and just double click on this certificate, open. Okay, install the certificate, current user, click next. And please, place all certificate in the following store. So choose trusted root certificate authority, click next and finish and click yes and click OK. Now we are done and we install the certificate. By the way, I mention all these steps here. When you download, just open and then click install. Local machine as well, or current user is up to you. Place them here and then when install, let's verify them in the browser. So let's go to browser, go to the browser setting. We need to check it is installed or not. Okay, so let's go to the browser setting, which is where is the browser setting? We need to verify that it's installed or not yet. Okay, yeah, it's here. So let's go to the setting. Where is, yeah, it's here. And here you need to type certificate. Let's search, and here is, click on this one and let's go to trusted root certificate. So on the top you can see here is 10.0.1 certificate. Okay, and we can view them as well. So this is our certificate 10.0.1.254 and you can go to the detail. So the detail, these are the detail of this certificate. We give them the CN name, this one. If you remember, we give them organization IT and O, this one, and country SA. So this is the right certificate which is installed, okay, in our browser. If you are using another browser, you need to manually install. So let's go to, if we have another browser, I don't have another. If we have Internet Explorer, so in Internet Explorer, it will be automatically there. Even in Google Chrome, maybe, and if you have a Firefox, so you need to install them manually in that one. So let me open Internet Explorer. Okay, and let's install Firefox as well. In case if you have a Firefox, so for that you need to install them separately. Google.com. Okay, English, and here Firefox download, and let's download. Okay, so it will download, and here is, let's install this one, run. By the way, this what you need to do. Normally Firefox, it will not be installed automatically, so you can manually install the certificate in that browser. Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer, it will install them. Okay, however, if it is not installed in Firefox, or if you are using any other browser, so you can manually install that one. Maybe I mentioned here, yeah. So here is in the Mozilla, you need to go to option, then privacy and setting, view certificate, authority, and import the certificate. Okay, even though you can do all these things through the through Active Directory. I don't want to import, just skip this one. Okay, and just skip this one as well, and skip this one, and we are almost done. So let me start the browsing, and let's go to click here, and let's go to setting, and here search certificate. So view certificate, and let's go to the authorities. So here you will not find our certificate, so you can click on the import, and we download the certificate, choose that certificate, trusted this certificate. Okay, and trusted for the email. If you want to use, click OK, and we are done. And now if you check, it should be there now in this browser as well. Let's see, we have the certificate. You need to verify, which was the 10.0. So let me click here again, and let's check here the authority. So we need to verify, it was 10 something. Let's try with 10 years here. So you can view them as well. So yes, this is the right certificate. So now it's installed in both browser. Okay, so we verify the certificate is being installed on both browser correctly. That's it. So this was the way to install this certificate. We install them manually. Keep in mind, there are many other ways to push this certificate to the clients.